In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ASUS VivoBook touchpad not working. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an ASUS VivoBook and you notice that your touchpad is unresponsive for whatever reason, I'm gonna show you some possible fixes to help you address this. Some of them will be done inside of Windows itself, while others will be done outside. So to start, the most basic one is to double check to see if touchpad is enabled and also if this option is ticked off or on depending on your preferences. So to find this on Windows 10, you just go over to the settings and then you will find touchpad at the left. Alternatively, on Windows 11, you have to go over to Bluetooth and devices first, and then you will find the touchpad category here. Inside of touchpad, of course, make sure to see that it is enabled. And with this done, there is also going to be this additional option, leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. So if you currently have USB peripherals connected, namely a mouse, it is very important to take that option. That way, the mouse and the touchpad will work simultaneously, even when they are both in use. So with this enabled, you are good to go. See if it is responsive now, and if it is still unresponsive, the next thing that I would recommend is to check for any dust or debris. If you notice that this is not clean, I would recommend taking some alcohol and wiping it off. After you wipe it off completely and you get rid of any dust, debris, or anything that might be causing it not to function, see if it works again. And if it is still giving you trouble, I would highly recommend one last fix inside of Windows. Right-click the Windows icon, go over to Device Manager, and in here, you will be able to check for updates for all the devices. You can click on this option here, and you will be able to see if there are any updates needed. So all that you have to do is use the Device Manager inside of Windows, and of course, make sure that they are all enabled on the settings for your devices. If it still does not work, then the best course of action would be to take it to the ASUS customer support because it could be a hardware failure. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS VivoBook touchpad not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.